Rub your
hands,
palms
make them
together,
nice and
then the
clean.
back of your hands. Wash between your fingers
Rub, rub,
and rinse
rub
the
your
soap away.
hands, washing in between. Soap goes squish, squish, squish. Bubbles everywhere. Wash the tops and wash the palms. Scrub it here and there. Rinse, rinse, rinse your hands. Water makes them shine. Shake, shake, shake them dry. Now they're feeling fine. After play and after snack, when you're done outside, wash your hands to keep them clean. Germs all say goodbye. Wash, wash, wash your hands. It's a happy song. Do it every single day. It won't take too long.
Bye-bye. See you later.
Check out what's over there.